In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund from Grammarly and share some important details you should know beforehand. First things first, before diving into the process, let's log into your Grammarly account. You'll want to start by heading over to the subscription page. Now, this is your go-to page for everything related to your current plan and billing details. It's always good practice to have a quick look at your subscription and familiarize yourself with the details, so you know exactly what's being billed and when. Once you're on the subscription page, keep an eye out for an option to request a refund. This might be prominently displayed if it's applicable to your account. For instance, if you're someone who bought a team subscription using the same email linked to your individual one, you might find that you're eligible for an automatic prorated refund. That's a situation Grammarly has in place to ease the refund request for team subscriptions, as long as certain conditions are met. It's always handy to know these little exceptions, as they can save you time and energy. However, if you don't see a direct refund option, don't worry. You'll just need to take an extra step by contacting Grammarly's support team. To do this, head over to Grammarly's Help Center. Once there, look for an area that allows you to submit a request. This is your pathway to reaching out directly to their support team. When you're submitting your request, be sure to select the appropriate topic, such as payments and billing or refund, so your inquiry is directed to the right team. This ensures that your request is handled as efficiently as possible. For those of you who made your purchase through the Apple App Store, there's a slightly different route you'll need to take. Rather than going through Grammarly, your refund request needs to be directed to Apple itself. It might seem a bit separate from the rest of the process, but essential nonetheless, since Apple has its own refund policies and methods that can differ from Grammarly's. Once you've submitted your refund request, it's time to exercise a bit of patience. Depending on your subscription type and the method of payment used, refund processing can take a little while. Specifically, if you're requesting a refund for a team plan, this process might take up to 10 business days. So it's a good idea to mark it on your calendar or set a reminder to check in if you haven't received your refund within that time frame. And there you have it. With a bit of awareness and patience, getting a refund from Grammarly can be straightforward. Just remember to double-check your subscription details and follow the steps based on your type of purchase. If you follow these steps, getting your money back will be a smooth experience.